They said it couldn't be done. The Home Office specifically said it couldn't be done. And yet, here we are once more for the annual Knievels International Penalty Shootout. England against Wales. Never has Evel done such good. These guys in the last 12 years have raised over £250,000 for charity. And now here we are at Bovey Tracey Football Club, about once more to set new standards in the sport of people dressed up as Evel Knievel taking penalties against each other. A key penalty for the Corwen Knievel. It's still 0-0. Spotting that ball up very, very carefully. What a mass mess it is. Steps up. Oh, he's lifted it like Schindler. That's an absolute beauty. Top corner. No one's going to be saving those. Oh, the East Kilbride Knievel. Well, you'd have to be living in a rock not to know all the controversy about this selection. But Wales have used the Celtic privilege, and so now, in the background, the bagpipes. As East Kilbride Knievel steps up. Oh, he scuffed it, but it's in! Rotten from Rhosllanechrugog Knievel. Now, the Rhosllanechrugog Knievel. Again, carefully spots the ball up. Oh, and bangs it in the bottom corner. Wales running away with this. Scored a cracker at Bala last year. From the Jacko Knievel, a bit of gamesmanship, just trying to put the RAF Top Gun Knievel off his mark. It's a slow run up, oh, and it's driven home. Lovely insouciant flick with the outside of the foot, be the beginning of a comeback. Rhondda Knievel. Step up. Experienced and high quality bottom corner. Sensational. You don't save though. Pressure really on now. England 3 behind. No, did you hear me, bloke in the crowd? There is pressure. Telford Knievel. Oh, what a beauty. Slotted into the bottom left corner. Team manager. It's being suggested he couldn't score in a brothel. So difficult to get full-size goals into a house of ill repute, of course, as we all know from practical experience. Up he steps, right-footed. Oh, that's a beauty. Dinked in. He missed in 22 and 23. The Brummie Knievels, third cap. Scored in 22, dropped in 23. Back for 24. What can be done to save England? Can he score 3 goals in 1 kick? Oh, it's delicate, and it's in. And it's not enough. Wales are victorious. The scenes of slow motion delight are remarkable. Have we ever seen such celebrations? Only rarely in history. When Napoleon triumphed in Egypt, when Alexander the Great took the Achaemenid Prussian Empire, when Scotland won at Wembley in 1977, and now this, Wales winning the International Knievels penalty shootout. They are the champions, my friend. See you next year for more sporting excellence somewhere else, but also see you next year for the Ride Cymru MCC being Evel for a good cause. Penalty shootouts. Arrivederci, muchachos.